Right, we're in Thailand. We've got the special series Scomadis, it's SSS. We'll talk you through a few of the highlights of it. First of all, we've got adjustable levers. There's a couple of different types of master cylinder you can have. There's this one on the yellow bike, and if you have a look on the other one, you can see the gold ones on there. And there's also the bar end mirrors on. They come on both bikes. Now this one has got cut down leg shields, cut down front mudguard. It's also got cut down panel, which has been nicely finished there. Got a bit of detailing on it. It's got the Scomadi SSS exhaust. Quite importantly, it's got ÖHLINS rear shocks. Scomadi are working with ÖHLINS at the minute. These are already an option, but we've not got a price yet. And they're also working on a front set. Whether they'll be too expensive, we'll have to wait and see. This one's also got a YUMINASHI variator fitted. It's got some aftermarket covers for the transmission case, flip out pegs for your pillion. It's got some alloy mini indicators, because obviously the panels have been cut down, but Scomadi are talking about getting rid of the panel indicators and also the leg shield ones. Got a SLUK screen on there, which we've been developing with Scomadi for a while. And now that they're starting to do these SSSs, we will finish these off and get them into production, but they might have to come through Scomadi dealer rather than us. We're still working on that. Performance-wise on this, it's very good. It's supposed to be comparable to a GTS 300 that is, which is not bad from a 200 motor. But this one has also got the halogen spots on the front, carbon fibre indicator covers, rear light surround. It's got different calipers on it, carbon fibre headlight peak there. And basically what we're going to do, they'll have a catalogue of parts, and you can spec your bike up, you can spec your engine up, stage 1, 2, 3, depending on how they work it. 3 stages, from exhaust, remap, variator, and probably a cam coming later as well. That's being worked on at the minute. But we've not got any prices for any of that yet. There's no prices for any of the extras at the minute, and we're not sure when we're going to get them. And these flies are really pissing me off. By Mr. YUMINASHI. How you say it? Yeah, Mr. YUMINASHI. Yeah. Okie dokie. Flies. Like stage 1's going to be exhaust. Stage 2, I think, is that right? Stage 1's at exhaust, maybe. What else? It's like